Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Rome Metro. The Rome Metro system is a convenient way to navigate the Eternal City, featuring 3 primary lines, A, B, and C. Lines N and B are the most established crossing paths at the Central Termini station, a key interchange for travelers. Line C, a more recent addition, connects with line at San Giovanni. Metro services typically operate from 5:30 in the morning until 11:30 at night, offering flexibility for your explorations. Understanding ticket options is crucial for a smooth journey. You can easily purchase tickets from automated vending machines and stations or from authorized tobacco shops. A standard BIT ticket, costing €1.50, allows for 100 minutes of travel, including 1 metro ride. For longer stays, consider daily, 2-day, 3-day, or weekly passes, offering unlimited travel within their validity. Always remember to validate your ticket at the turnstiles before entering the platform. Navigating the Rome Metro is straightforward once you understand the system. Each line is color-coded, and signs clearly indicate the line and direction, usually by the last station on that route. Always confirm the destination displayed on the platform before boarding. During busy times, particularly rush hour, it's wise to be mindful of your belongings. Station maps are readily available and can help you plan your journey efficiently, ensuring you reach your destination without any hassle. To enhance your Rome Metro experience, here are a few helpful tips. If your schedule allows, try to avoid peak travel times, generally between 7 and 9 in the morning and 5 and 7 in the evening, when trains can be very crowded. Always keep your personal belongings secure and close to your body. While the metro is efficient for shorter distances, consider walking. Rome is a beautiful city best explored on foot, allowing you to discover hidden gems along the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.